Hi everyone. Good morning everyone. Please everyone check your internet connections. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Hi everyone. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. Please give me the acknowledgements. I'm audible, everyone. My voice is clear. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Yes. So first of all, thank you all for joining the today workshop. So I will give them my short introductions. Then we'll proceed our workshop. So myself, Sumit Sartai. I'm a professional data scientist and AI engineer. So I have a 5 year experience in these fields. I work with the multiple companies. So now I work with the Naresh IT as a master trainer. So in this workshop, my goal is not only to explain the concept. So but in this, I will be help you understand these technologies, how you apply it in your real world, in your projects, in your production environments, so you can use these technologies. It will be help for you. So I will be encouraged to everyone to participate actively, ask the question end of the session, whatever you have a doubts regarding the this our workshop, you can ask me. By end of the workshop you will be have a both theoretical knowledge will be gained and practical knowledge also, so you can apply in your real projects, real time projects. Okay. So thank you once again for being here. Let's begin our journey of the artificial intelligence. Just wait, I'm just sharing my screen. Mm, okay, guys, my screen is visible for everyone. Okay, that's good. So I hope everyone know the title of our workshop. So our title is AI Dream Team. We are building the one agentic AI project in this. So let's start our today agenda. Our today agenda is there of workshop. First thing we cover in this introduction of agentic AI. Then second thing we'll cover the single agent versus multi agents. Then we'll see their architectures, single agent architecture. I just mentioned directly. Okay. We'll see the single agent of architectures and multi agent of architecture. Example like a workflow. We'll see the build one multi agent live demo. Okay, guys. Then we'll cover the feature train. Lastly, our question answering. That is our today agenda. Got it, everyone? Clear? Okay. So guys, so before come to the our today agenda concept, I would like to tell first thing you should know the about the LLM models. Okay. So I know a lot of students are coming the non-tech background here. A lot of students are the fresher. They don't know about the agent. They don't know about the LLMs. So I will give the short introduction about the LLM. Then we'll proceed our agenda sites. Let's start the what is the LLM. Anyone know what is the LLM models? Guys, anyone know? Rohit is saying ChatGPT is Gemini. Very good. Nice. Yes. Llama GPT 4.2. Okay. Yeah. But guys, I'm asking about the what is the LLM. I'm not talking about their applications. Okay, let's see. LLM is nothing but LLM we call the large language model. What is the LLM? It is the large language model. It is a large language models. So what is a large language model, guys? Okay, it is a type of the okay. It is a type of AI. It is a type of the AI that has trained on that has been be trained on huge amount of data. Okay, that train on the huge amount of data. Like example, text, image, video, and etc. Okay, got it, everyone? To understand, and generate the human like a text. Let's see. I will explain you. So large language model basically train on the very huge internet data. So on the internet, whatever amount of data will be available, on that data we train our large language models. Just like I mentioned, the what kind of data, just like text, image, video, tutorials, books, new our we can say the Wikipedia data, so on multiple things. So on that we train our large language model, so he can generate the text like a human understandables. Okay, got it, everyone? This point. Let's see another thing. So basically, what is a large? So everyone will be tell you what is the definition of large language models, but we can just decompose this sentence into the three words. What is a large? Okay, large means millions and even trillions parameters. Okay, so models have millions, even trillion parameters they have. That is the meaning of large. Second meaning is there. What is a language? Okay, language means we train the model. We train the model on the multi-language. On the multi-language, just like I mentioned, text, code, image, video, and so on. So we train our single model on the multiple languages. That is the meaning of the language. Next point come to the model. Next point come to the model. So here we are using the one mathematical models. Which model we are using, guys? Mathematical models. Just like just like our transformer model. So a lot of people have a will question will be coming. So why only we are using the transformer models? We have a lot of models available. Why specific we are choose the only transformer? Let's see with the one real time example. Okay. So everyone's are know the in your home some electric meter is there. Okay. Through the electrical poles we pass the current inside the meter. Okay. Got it. So if we I have a I'm just open 1 minute. Okay, just like in your home, one meter is there. We pass the current through the one electrical poles. Okay, consider example. If I pass the current inside the meter, okay, this current voltage is like a 2000, either 3000. What will be happen, guys? This meter will be blast. है ना? It is right ना? This meter will be blast if I pass the very high voltage of current inside the this meter. Okay, so that what we using these current we are instead of passing to our normal meter we are passing this current inside the one big transformer. है ना? We pass the one where we pass this high voltage of current inside the one transformer. Why we pass the current inside transformer? Because transformer have a big capacity to digest this current. He can observe, he can just convert this current. He have capacity, he can digest this all current. Okay, but if I pass through the this same voltage of current in the small meter, he will be directly short circuit will be happen, either blast will be happen. है ना? It is right now. So that we pass the high voltage current inside the big transformer. So he have a capacity to take the high voltage current. But this small meter will be not have a capacity to take the high voltage of current. Same thing, we are using the one transformer model to instead of the small model. Because transformer have a big architecture, first point. He have a big architecture. Second thing, he can understand the parallel process. Okay, he can understand the parallel process. Okay, inside the multi layers are there. Inside the multi layers are there, so that we are using the biggest transformer model to train our millions of trillions of amount of data. Got it, everyone? Why not we are using the normal model? Because they not have a capacity to understand the huge amount of data pattern. Okay, if I want to understand the huge amount of pattern amount of data patterns, I would like I want to use the transformer model. That is the reason we are using the transformer models. When we train the transformer model, he become as a LLM model. Got it, everyone? How to make the LLM model? You can train the model on the huge amount of data. He will become our LLM model. Got it? That is our LLM. Next thing, next thing, LLMs are LLMs are LLMs are proficient in the LLMs are proficient in natural language natural language understanding. Okay, so they can understand a properly natural language. So what is a natural language, guys? Anyone know NLP? Lot of students are heard this name in the college time. NLP. NLP means human language. Our human language is then this language I convert into the okay, this human language I convert into the machine language. That is the use of the NLP. Okay, just like this high is there na, this high I convert into the one machine language. Machine language is just like a 0 to 1. In between the these text I will be convert. So who will be help me? This NLP will be help me. This human text convert into the machine understandable language. So LLMs are very proficient to understand the human language. Got it, everyone? They can generate the human understandable language, just like a text. Okay? That is our exactly LLM models. I hope everyone clear about the LLMs. Yes, guys, got it, everyone? What is the LLM? Which model we are using? Okay, very good. Let's talk about the let's talk about the journey of LLM to the agents. Because now in current generation we are using the agents. Okay, you everyone heard the everywhere agentic AI, multi agents, like that thing you can heard. Okay, no one is talking about the LLMs. Everyone's talking about the agents. So, firstly, discuss the what is the journey of LLM to agents. So, before talking about the journey, I would like to tell what are the challenge we face previous 2 years, previous 3 years in the LLM. Just talking about the some challenges and how to we tackle these challenges. Okay, challenges of LLM. Guys, when the ChatGPT are introduced 2018 time, when the ChatGPT came, 2018 time, first LLM models are came. So ChatGPT site, okay, OpenAI site, one first LLM models are introduced in the market. Who introduced this LLM model? ChatGPT. Okay, if you know, guys, when we ask to ChatGPT, when asked the ChatGPT any complex question, okay, any complex question, if you ask, sometime he will give the answer right, sometime he will give the answer right, and sometime he will give the wrong. Everyone face this problem, है ना? Sometimes he will give the right answer, sometimes he will give the wrong answer. So why he given the wrong answer? Why chat GPTs are the fluctuate the answer? Why the very high level of hallucination are there? Anyone notice? Anyone know? Just think about the one real example. Okay? Just if I will ask the questions, normally question if I will ask 2 plus 5, you can say easily 7. When I will be increase the when I will increase the complexity of the calculation, just like I will ask to the 8 plus, okay. If I'm asking the complex questions, you will tell me, answer is like a 1,60,000. Okay, just example. You directly given the answer me. Okay. When I will ask these questions, you giving me this answer very fastly. So maybe your answer will be right, maybe your answer is wrong. Let's see your answer is a wrong. You are thinking this answer is a right, but actually your answer is a wrong. So I want to tell you one thing in this, why your answer is wrong. Okay, why your answer is wrong? Because of you not think about the your query. You not think about the actual questions. You directly come with the one solutions. I know that is a problem now. If you are not thinking about the what is the actual problem is given, directly you're giving the fastly answer. That is the wrong thing. That is the wrong thing. If you want to solve this calculation, what you will be do, guys? If you want to solve this calculation, what you will be do? You will be thinking. What you will do? You will be thinking. Then you will be do the step by step properly. Okay, you will be do step by step processing. Okay, then after you finally find out the answer. So what we did for the complex question, you thinking about that. Okay, जब आपके पास complex question आता है हम उसके बारे में सोचते हैं. Then we'll find out the final answer. It is right ना? Same we added in the LLM. So LLM sometimes giving the wrong answer on the complex data. Okay. Whenever we ask the complex question, LLMs are giving the wrong answer. So that we come with the new techniques. That is the name of the chain of thought. What is the technique? Chain of thought. Chain of thought concept we added in the LLM models. Okay, in the LLM models, we added the chain of thought. So before response the answer, you can think. What is the meaning of chain of thought? Before respond the answer, think, then give the final answer. So that is the process of the chain of thought. Everyone know LLMs have a one thinking option is there, na? Is there thinking option? That is the meaning of the chain of thought. So LLMs have a now thinking power also. So whenever you ask the complex question, they will be think before, then after finally give the answer. They will not directly give the answer. So this process we added in the LLM. That is a challenge. They're giving the wrong answer. Then we come with the new solution. That is the name of the chain of thought. So who developed the chain of thought? Firstly, OpenAI launched this part. Okay, OpenAI launched this thing. So what is the scientist name? His scientist name is the Noam Brown. He find out the chain of thought concept. He is a OpenAI scientist. He find out this concept chain of thought because lot of LLMs answer given the wrong, so that they adding the chain of thought concept. So here one problem our solve, hallucination problem and fluctuation problem will be solved because of chain of thought. That is the challenge. Okay, clear everyone? Chalo. Let's talk about the journey LLM to agent. Okay, guys. Everyone know how to LLMs are work. LLM workflow is the user will be asked query. Okay, he will be process the user query, है ना? Then he will give the finally response. Okay, he give the final response. Like that, my LLMs are work. Okay, but here again one challenge are there, guys. Okay, here again one challenge is there. What is the challenge here? Main challenge here is the main challenge is there. Whenever you ask the query, okay, whenever you ask the query to LLM models, okay, based on the his data, okay, whatever data he have, okay, whatever data he have, only based on the he will generate your answer. Okay, if I'm asking to chat GPT, okay, can you tell me any current if some incident is happen, any current future in present, any incident is happen, if I'm asking to my chat GPT, he will not give the response. He will always give the response based on the he training knowledge. Okay, how much you learn on the training times, based on the he can generate the answer. मतलब उसको जो भी सिखाया गया है उसके बेस पे ही वो आंसर देगा. If you are asking the external thing, he will not give the answer. That is the one problem with the LLM model. Everyone's are know. Okay. If you are asking the out of the question to LLM, he will not give the answer. Then scientists will be think the that is the one challenge. So what will we do? Every time you want to train the model? No. Okay. Every time no need to train the models. Okay. So what we added, we do one thing. Whenever user will be asked the questions and these question will be don't know to my LLM models, these question answer he will be search on the external API. Where he will search? External API. Okay. Suppose I'm asking the questions who win the yesterday match. Okay. Example. This yesterday match of knowledge he not have. है ना उसको थोड़ी पता है कल कौन जीता है उसके पास तो बिफोर 2 years before 1 year knowledge is there. Okay, if I'm asking the question about the who won the yesterday match, he said I don't know. So that this problem for I use the external API. What is a external API? When user will be asked the out of the question, his training, that time he will call the API, he will get the data and give it to the user. He will not say to you, I don't have an answer. He will be collect the your query answer from the external API. This concept we added in the LLM. Startingly, LLM only give the answer based on their training data. Now, LLM will be give the answer present data also and past data also because of external API tools calling. इसे हम बोलते हैं tools calling system. What is the concept? This is a tool calling system. So why we use the tool calling system? That time LLM have a not knowledge about the any data. That time he can call the tools and collect the data and give to the user. That is the our new concepts are coming in the LLM. But again, one challenge is there. Again, one challenge is there in the LLM, guys. The challenges is the if I will ask the can you buy the pizza for me? He will not buy the pizza for me. Okay, LLMs will not buy the pizza for you. Okay, but he will tell you process. But he will tell the process. He will tell the process. So he will tell first go to the Zomato, then go to the then search pizza, then add to card, then buy. Okay, he will tell the process, but he will be not buy the pizza for you. That is the problem. Okay, he will not do the automatically things. That is the one challenge. If I will talk about the another one example, if I will say book the flight for me, he will tell the process same. You can go to the Indigo, either make my trip platform, search the flight, mention the source and destinations, and book your flight. But he will not book the flight for me. That is the limitation of the LLM models. That is the limitation of the LLM models. Then enter the in the market our agents. What we enter? Agents are enter in the market. So now agent is nothing but guys. Agent is like a LLM models. Okay, agent is a LLM models. We giving to some power to LLM model. What kind of powers? Tools calling. Okay. So now how to agent is working? It's very simple. He will take the user query. He will take the user query. Okay. Then after this user query will go into the my LLM model. What is the work of LLM model? LLM model will be understand the user query. Okay, like that. Then second thing, give to agent. This query I will give to the agent. What will we do agent? Agent will be agent will take the query and call the call the flight API. Call the flight API and book the flight for you. Okay, book the flight. Then final, give the final response. Okay, final response will be give. Just like your, what is the final response will become? Your tickets. That is the agents are working like that. It's mean we adding the new concept in the agent. They can do the work automatically. But LLMs are not do the work automatically. They not have a autonomous things. But agents have a autonomous things. Everyone clear? What is the journey of LLM to agents? If you got clear, just put in the chat yes. Everyone fast. Very good. First step. Good. Okay. So that is our journey of the LLM to agents. Okay. Then come our first part. Then come the first part. What is the agents? Okay. Our first part is there. What is the AI agents? Let's see. An AI agent is like a smart digital employee. Smart digital employee. Okay. It's like a smart digital employee. Just like that can they can do thing by itself, think by itself, understand the task, understand the task, okay, understand the task, then take action, take action. Next thing, learn from the result, learn from the result, keep working until task is not completed, until task is not completed, task completed, जब तक टास्क कंप्लीट नहीं होगा वो चलता रहेगा. Okay, that is the work of the agents. Everyone clear? Okay, agent like a smart digital employee. He can think itself, no need to the outside. He can understand the task, he can take the actions, he can learn from the result and keep working until my task is not completed. Okay, whenever task is completed, he will be stop the processing, directly give the final answer. That is my agent. Okay, that is my agents. Let's talk about the second point, our agenda, single agent. Okay, just think like a single agent. I have one single agent. What is a single agent means? One agent doing all things. Okay, one agents are doing all things. Okay, one agents are doing all things. Just example, I will give them an example. Just think about the one restaurant. Okay, think about the restaurant. In the restaurant, only one person is there. In the restaurant, only one person is there. Okay, he is the chef. Okay, this person is a chef. This person manager also. This person waiter also. This person cashier also. Okay, it's been one person doing the all work. Okay, one person doing the all work. He doing the chef work also. He doing the manager work also. He doing the waiter work also. He doing the cashier also. He doing the cleaner also. Everything he doing. That is the meaning of single agent. That is the meaning of single agent. One agents are do the all thing. That is the work of the single agent. Got it, everyone? Clear? What is a single agent? Okay. It's again limitation. Okay. In this again limitation is there. So firstly, I would like to tell you what is a workflow. Okay. Firstly, I will be tell you what is the workflow of the single agent. I hope everyone clear the how to work the single agent. It's mean one agents are doing the all things. Okay, everything are doing my single agents. Let's discuss about the workflow. Okay, let's see. When the user will be asked the query, just like a everyone bring the your notebooks and keep the notes. Okay, that is the user query. Okay, that is a user query. This user query, firstly, LLM will be understand. Okay, LLM will be understand. How to LLM will be understand using the what concept? Okay, I just mentioned here understanding user query. Okay, understand the user query. Okay, then after this, after understanding, LLMs are doing the these tasks. Okay, whatever user given the task, now these tasks convert into the step by step. Convert into the step by step. It's mean how I want to do this complete this task. If a user will be asked any query, how to I want to complete, I will be mentioned in the step by step. किसी ने मुझे कुछ काम बोला तो मैं उस काम को डिवाइड करूंगा स्टेप बाय स्टेप में फर्स्ट में ये करूंगा सेकंड ये करूंगा थर्ड ये करूंगा फोर्थ ये करूंगा बाद में फर्स्ट को कंप्लीट करूंगा सेकंड को कंप्लीट करूंगा थर्ड को कंप्लीट करूंगा फोर्थ को कंप्लीट करूंगा all are complete that is my task is completed that is the process of the step by step these tasks are divided into the step by step got it everyone this part okay how do I convert this task step by step using the one technique guys that is the name of the chain of thought. Using the chain of thought, these tasks I will convert into the step by step. Clear this part? Okay. Now, now these tasks I will be assigned. Okay, these tasks I will be assigned to single agent. These tasks I will be assigned to the my single agent. Okay, these tasks I will be assigned to my single agent. Okay, so that is my agent. That is my agent. Okay, an agent have a one power. That is the meaning of tools. Okay, what agent have a tools. Okay, so after agent will be user query will be coming. LLM will be understand the user query. This query will be convert into the step by step, and then step by step data I will be assigned to the agents. Okay, okay, got it everyone. These tasks I will assign to the my agents. Agent will be start the doing the work. Okay, agent will be start the doing the work. Then agent give me the response. Then agent give me the response. Okay, that is a part of the observation. That is a part of the observation. Okay, so agent will be give the answer. Observation will be checked. Agent answer is the right or wrong. Okay, he will be check the based on the user question. Agents are giving the right answer or not. If he right not there, if he wrong answer there, again I will be divide the task. Again I will be assign the task. Again agent will be create the response. Again I will check the response. This process until will be going on whenever my task is not completed accurately. Okay, result. Okay, these tasks will be not completed until whenever I will not got the accurate result. That is a part of the loop. इसे हम बोलते हैं loop. Okay, this loop will be until is going on whenever I will not get the final result accurate. That is the work of the observation. Got it everyone? That is the workflow of the my single agent. ये कौन सा वर्कफ्लो हो गया सिंगल एजेंट का everyone clear what is the workflow of the single agent that is the workflow of the single agents clear everyone yes no Okay, got it. Let's see the guys new thing, multi-agent. Okay, let's see the new things, multi-agents. Okay, let's see the new thing. Third point, multi-agent. Who tell me what is a multi-agent, guys? A multi-agent system means a multi-agent system means multiple AI agents working together as a team. As a team, just like just like a group of just like a group of people with different roles. Got it, everyone? After read the definition, you will be get the idea. What is the meaning of the agent? It's mean multi-agents working together as like a team. And everyone agent have a different role. Just example, our previous example, restaurant example. Just like a our restaurant example. Okay. In the restaurant example, what is there? Okay. So we have one restaurant. Okay, we have one restaurant. So in the single agent, one person doing the all things. So what I will do? What I will do? This restaurant have a different employees are there. In this restaurant, different employees are there. One employee chef, okay. Another employee is like a waiter, okay. Another employee like a cleaner, okay. Another employee like a manager, and another employee we can think the okay. We can take only three. We can take only four. Okay. So in the restaurant, I have four types of peoples are there. Four types of employees are there. Chef. So chef is my first employee. That is my second employee. That is my third employee. That is my fourth employee. Every employee have a some different role. Okay. All employee doing the work together as a team. Okay. And every employee work is a different. I will assign. Chef work is there like a cooks the food. Okay. Waiter is like a serve the order, serve the order. Then cleaner is like a clean table. Okay. Manager like a manage the all team. It is right now. So if I want to run the my restaurants, I have a multiple employee. These multiple employees doing the work together and they have a different role. That is exact our multi agents. So just like I have a multiple agent, I have a multiple agents. Okay, these multiple agents are doing the work together and solve the one task. Okay, that is our multi agent. Okay, so why the multi agent concept is coming? Just think about now. If I give the five works at a time, okay, if it I will give the five works at a time. You can solve accurately one or two work properly. One either two work you can solve very properly, but other work you can't be solved properly. Why? Because when we can't be solve the multiple tasks, and just like agent also, if you are giving the multiple tasks to your agent, just like a book flight, book the flight, but under the 10,000, under the 10,000, check the hotels, check the hotels nearby. airport, and and book the meeting. Okay, book the meeting. Okay. So in this, how many tasks are given? I want to book the flight also. I want to check the filter also. I want to check the hotel also. I nearby the this one also. Okay, book the meeting also. Okay, conduct the create the meeting also. Everything. It's been multitask are given to single agent. This single agent can't be do the multiple tasks. Okay, he can do, but he will not do the perfectly. He will not do the this multitask perfectly. He will do the mistakes. That is the reason we come with the new concept, that is the name of multi-agent. These tasks I will be divided into the multiple small chart, uh, small tasks, and these small tasks I will assign to each and each agents. Got it, everyone? How to multi-agents are working? Clear, everyone? Yes, no? Okay. Let's see the another concept. Okay. Let's see the workflow of the multi-agents. Okay. Multi-agent workflow. Okay, just like I have one user query. Okay, I have one user query. Okay, that is the first thing I have. Second thing I have, understand the user query. Okay, understand the user query. How do I will understand? Using the LLM models. Okay, next thing I have a one task planning system. Okay, I have one task planning system. I will be these user tasks I will be plan. Okay, how to I want to do, I will be plan the these tasks. Okay, how to this planning using the chain of thought, I will be divide the task into the step by step. Everyone clear this one part, chain of thought? Okay, now now I will be discompose decompose the task. Okay, decompose the task. These tasks I will be decompose, it's mean divide and assign to assign to assign the agent. Okay, got it, everyone? Okay. Then after I have multi agents. Okay, first agent, second agent, third agent, and fourth agent. Okay, these tasks I will divide like that. Okay, A1, A2, A3, and A4. These agent have a one tools. This agent have a one tool. This one have also one tool. This one have also one tool, and this one have a one tool. Just like he have a tools is like a API, flight API. He have a tools, hotel booking tools. He have a tools, check the weather condition. He have a tools, check the Google map. Okay, different they have a tools. Okay, then after these all tool answer I will be get. Okay, then I will come here to agent observation. Agent observation. These agent observations I will be check. Okay, this agent observation will be go to the one layer again. Again go to the one layer. This layer is a orchestrator. What is the layer name? Orchestrator. Okay, that is a orchestrator. Okay, that is a orchestrator. orchestrator will be decided that this answer is the right or wrong. Okay. If he right is not there, again he will be plan the task. Again he will be plan the task, just like a loop. When when this loop will be closed, that time I will get the final answer. Okay, that time fine. So guys, I want to add the one thing here. Here, this whole part will be who operate. This whole part will be operate the one supervisor. Okay, who operate one supervisor. That is our normal name. This normal name is meaning is orchestrator. Okay, that is a technical word is the orchestrator. So this orchestrator will be handle this everything: task planning, task decompose, assign the task, agent answer, check the observations. Everything will be handle the my orchestrator. Okay, this will be handle this whole workflow. Got it, everyone? That is our multi-agent workflow. This workflow is a multi-agent workflow. Okay, clear everyone this part? Got it? Anyone have a doubt in this? Anyone have a doubt? Very good. Okay. Let's see, guys. Then lot of students have one doubt will be coming. How do we create this all architecture? Okay. How do we create the architecture? We want to manually create this architecture. Yeah, we have another techniques. So no need to create the manually this architecture. Okay. We have a framework. We have a frameworks. Okay. What kind of framework we have? We have a LangChain. Okay. Another we have a framework, LangGraph. Another we have a Hero AI. Another we have a AutoGen. Okay. Another we have a to A. Okay. These are the all framework we are using in the agentic AI. Let's see the one by one. Okay. LangChain and LangGraph. Why using LangGraph framework? We are using to make the end-to-end workflow of agentic AI. Which one? Multi-agent AI. Okay. Just like a hierarchical modes in the form of the graph. Okay. I just showing the you know. मैंने आपको ऐसा बताया ना ग्राफ लाइक आई हैव वन एजेंट he divide the task into the some graph 1 2 3 that is which one part that is a graph no so to making like that our workflow we are using the graph okay why we use the QA is provide the some agents they have they have specific work. Okay, they provide the some different types of agents. Just like what kind of agent QA provide? QA will be provide you YouTube video search. Okay, YouTube video search, CSV data search, database search. Search the uh, browser, search the data on the internet, search the data on the database. Okay, different agent they have already is there. They have a work already decided. This thing will be there in the QAI. Yes, Manikanda. Langsmith also there. Okay. Okay. Langsmith work is there, guys. Whenever we make the end-to-end workflow, so we want to monitor also, na? We want to monitor also. We want to find out the error also. And we want to find out error also. We want to check the evaluation also. Okay. So what is the monitoring? It's mean everything is going. It's mean everything is going very smoothly. Okay. So he will be check the monitoring. I want to monitor my workflow. It's going smoothly or not. I will monitor. Error means if in my workflow any error is there, to debug the errors, I will use a Langsmith. Evaluation means performance of the my multi-models. That time I will use the evaluation. This whole thing I will be do using the Langsmith. I will be monitor my project. I will be debug my error inside the workflow. I will check the evaluation of my workflow. Okay, this is all things are there in the one dashboard. You can monitor everything in the one dashboard. These dashboards we can make using the Langsmith. Got it, everyone? That is the work of the Langsmith. Monitor, error debug, evaluation. Okay, that is the work of the Langsmith. Then come to the Autogen. That is very trending things are going in the industries. Okay, which one? Auto agent and A2A. Okay, let's see what is the Autogen and what is the A2A. Let's see. I have one agent. Okay, that is a 1, 2, and 3 and 4. Okay. Suppose, for example, guys, wait, Ankit, I will become your point also. Okay. So let's discuss about the autogen. What happened now? Whenever I will use a land graph, how to collaborate the agent. Okay. One agent want to talk with the agent 2. Okay. Then he can talk with the agent 3 and he can talk with the agent 4. This is the process is a static. Land graph provide the agent collaboration is a static. What is doing land graph? Land graph provide the collaboration is a static. मतलब एजेंट 1 एजेंट 2 से ही बात कर सकता है, एजेंट 2 एजेंट 3 से ही बात कर सकता है, एजेंट 3 एजेंट 4 से ही बात कर सकता है. ऐसा नहीं कि 4 वाला 1 से बात करेगा या 1 वाला 3 से बात करेगा या 3 वाला 2 से बात करेगा. नहीं, ये ऑलरेडी फिक्स होता है. So that is a limitation. That is a limitation. But if I want to solve the complex task, I want to add some collaboration. कि मतलब 3 1 से भी बात कर सकता है, 1 4 से भी बात कर सकता है, 4 2 से भी बात कर सकता है. All model they can talk to each other. So how it possible this thing? Okay, how it possible this thing using the autogen? So autogen is like a Microsoft framework, and this framework will be provide the agent collaboration. ये क्या provide करता है? Communication collaboration. They can talk to each other and solve the task. They can talk to each other, solve the task. Yes, you can call the dynamic. Okay, Langra provide the static, but Autogen provide the dynamic things. Okay, they can talk to each other. That is the work of the Autogen. Clear, everyone? Okay. Let's talk about the A2E. Okay, what is the work of A2A? Consider now. This LLM model saying whatever user given the task ना, these tasks I can't be solved. इसने क्या बोला? ये task मैं solve नहीं कर सकता हूँ. These tasks it not possible my side. I not have enough knowledge to solve this task. So what I will do? I will be stop my uh, I will stop my process. No, I will not stop my process. I want to answer. Okay. If he is saying I don't have a knowledge to solve this task, that time what he will do? He will be called the external platform. He will be called the external platform, just like a support platform. This external platform, he will be called this platform. How to we can call this connection? इसको बोलते हैं हम A to A, agent to agent. It means this internal agent will be called to external agent. Okay, just like a open AI platform is there. Okay, then one another platform also there, Google. Okay, so he can ask to the this external agent, I need some help you. I want to this one data. Can you give me? Yes, he's saying yes, I will give. Then he can give the data, he will be take. Then he will be solve. Okay, that is the work of agent to agent. और ये किसने लाया? Google. Who launched this? Google is launched this thing. That is the A to A. That is the autogen. That is the land graph. Clear everyone? Properly. What is the use of A to A? What is the use of autogen? What is the use of land graph? Anyone have a doubt? Yes, online guys. Okay. Okay. I will explain the LangChain. Guys, using the LangChain, you can create the one simple architecture. Using LangChain, okay, you can create a very simple architecture, just like a user query. Okay, that is my user query. Then understand user query, you do agent, and final answer. In this, nothing is there. You can't be handle the complex level of query. That is a limitation of LangChain. First thing. Second thing, he's a static, just like a user query. Understanding, agent answer, and final answer. So no looping systems are there. No looping systems are there in the LangChain. So that we not use the LangChain. End to end, end to end is different things. Okay, Pratima, end to end just like a business oriented things. Just like in your businesses, whatever work you doing, repeat. Na? This repetition work, I don't want to do again. This repetition work, I want to overcome. Okay, at a one time, I want to solve this task so that I use the end to end N8 N frameworks to overcome the repetition work. Okay, okay. What is the A to A? Okay, let's see. So I have agent, consider I this agent and these three agents. Okay. No. After this one part, we'll cover the practical. Okay. We'll go to the practical. I'm just examining this part. Okay. If this agent can't be solved the any task, he will be called to the external platform. He will be called the external platform. Okay. He will be called to the external platform. External platform. He will call to the external platform. If this agent can't be solved any problem, he will call to the external platform. How can we call? Using the A to A. It's mean this agent to this agent they can talk. It's mean internal agent talk with the external agent. This facility will be provided the A to A. That is a part of the A to A. Got it? Okay, guys. So everyone just please open the. We'll come to the new parts. We'll come to the new part, guys. Hands-on practice. Okay. So everyone just open the first thing. Go to the browser. Okay. Okay. Just go to the browser, everyone. Everyone just go to the browser. Open the Google Cloud. Open the Google Colab. Search everyone Google Colab. Okay. Once you enter the Google Colab, everyone open. Okay, good. Once you search the Google Colab, you will get the first website. Click on the welcome to Google Colab. Okay, like that option will be open. Just click on the new notebook. Just click on the new notebook. Just click on the new notebook. Okay. Done everyone? Open. Just put in the chat is open. Just everyone put in the chat is open. Okay, very good. Okay. So we require some hardware just like a GPU, but we don't have any internal GPU. So we'll do one thing. Firstly, I will just change the file name. File name is like a multi-agent. Multi-agent. Okay. Create everyone multi-agents. Okay. So you will be visible here one option, guys. Connect option. You will be visible one option. Connect option. This side, this icon will be there. Click on this icon. Click on this icon. You will be get like that options. Click on the change runtime. Click on the change runtime. Just you want to go here. Okay. Click this option. Click on the change runtime. Okay. Click on the T4 GPU. Click on the T4 GPU and save. And save. And connect. Done everyone this part? Yes, no? Tell me fast. How many students are done? Chalo fastly. Very good. Just simple. You want to go to the browser. You want to search the Google Colab. You want to create a new notebook. Then you after create a new notebook, you want to go here and change the runtime. Once you click on the change the runtime, you will be get the T4 GPU. Click this and save this. Okay. Just wait, guys. Okay, I will just recap one again. Google Colab first. Then go to the Welcome to Google Colab website. Once you click on the new notebook. Click on the new notebook. Once you open the new notebook, okay, like that, change the name of the notebook. I will change the name of notebook. Multi agents. Enter. Go to the here option. This side. This icon is the right side of. Click this icon. Click on the change runtime. Select the T4 GPU and save this. Okay, and then connect. Once you connect, you will be get the option here. I just manage the order. Just and connect. Okay. Once it's connected, you will be get the here green color of symbol. Okay. See like that green color of symbol you can get. Okay, done. Okay. So guys, let's understand what is our projects. Our project is there. We have a one agent team. We have a one agent team. Okay. We have a one agent team. Just like I have one agent, two agent, and three agent. My first agent will be there, researcher. He will be research. Okay. He will be research the user query. Okay. Second agent is the critical agent. Is the critic agent. It's mean whatever my research agents are doing this thing now, whatever he research, on that he will do the critical operation, just like check the any errors. Okay, check the any errors, any gap is there, and improve the research data. Improve the research data. It's mean what he will do. He will be check the errors. Okay, in the research, what the data he will be research na. So check the errors if any gap is there in between the data. Okay, then after he will be improve the research text. He will be improve the research text. Got it, everyone? This part. Okay. Then finally we generate the one summary. User query, final we generate the one final summary. Got it, everyone? What is our problem statement? So we have a three agent, one research agent, one is a critical agent, one is a summary agent. Okay, writer. So research will be take the data. Research the data of the user query. Critical will be check the improvement, check the errors, and writer will be check the final summary. Let's see. So we require some libraries. Okay, we require some libraries. So first library we require the GenAI. Okay, just I will be from Google import GenAI. So guys, why we use the GenAI? Because we want to generate some text. No, we want to generate the text. For generate the text, I want to use the this library for generate the text. Okay. Then second library is there, guys, from Google dot GenAI dot types. What kind of types of GenAI you want to use? I want to import the I want to import the generate content. Is there any here? No. Okay, generate content config. Okay, I want to generate the content. Okay, these two library I want to use. Okay, another library. Okay, just I will run firstly. Yes, it's working. Done, everyone. This part, this two things done. Yes. Okay. Obviously, in the data science, we do the code in the Python. In the data science, we are using only always Python code. Okay. So guys. So guys, we require the LLM models. Okay. We require the LLM models, but we don't have any LLM models right now. So what we do, we are using the LLM model API key. What we do, we are using the LLM model API key. So open everyone new tab. Open the new tab. Open the new tab, everyone. Okay. Search the here Google Gemini API key. What you want to search? Google Gemini API key. Done, everyone, this part. Okay, you want to search Google Gemini API key. You will be get the first option. That is the first option you will be get. Okay, just click on the first. Just click on the first option. Just click on the first option. Okay, you will be get the like that portal. You will be get the like that portal. Okay, then click on the get started. Then click on the get started. Like that is open, everyone. Yes, no. Just put in the chat fastly. So I will tell the next process. Yes, everyone. All. Okay, go. Just scroll down the sidebar. Everyone just scroll down the sidebar. That is the sidebar. Okay, this sidebar just scroll down. You will be see the one option API key here. Downside of one option is visible. API key. Just like a key symbol. Yes. Okay. Just click on the this one option. Just click on the this option. Okay. Okay, guys. You will be see the one option top side of create API key. Like that is visible. Yes. No. Fastly tell me. Yes. Very good. Okay. Come to the here. Choose import project. Click. Come to the here. Choose import project, just click on here. Just click on here. Okay, just click on here. They will ask the two option: import project, create project. Okay, two option they will ask: import project and create project. So everyone click on the import project. Everyone click on the import project. I will click. Okay, once you click, once you click, once you click, one option is coming: default project. Everyone, this option is coming. Everyone, just wait. Click on get started. I just click on the agree. Yes, agreement. Continue. Just scroll down. Some API key. I will create the API. Click on the here import projects. Okay, guys, you showing the default project. Everyone, yes, no. Downside one default project is showing. Yes. Okay. Then select this. Then select everyone. Then select everyone. Okay, select everyone. Done. Yes, done. No. Okay. Chalo guys. So now, then after you will be see here your imported project is coming na. Downside of click is coming na here. My first project. Okay. Whatever name will be there your site. Default. Okay. So select this everyone. Click on the your default projects and create the new key. Create the API key. So already I have. So I just copy the API key. Pratima, you can try the another one. Okay, another account. It will be work. Okay, online guys done. Okay, done everyone. Just put in the chat. Everyone copy the API key. Everyone copy the API key. Yes, no. Very good. Okay. So guys, come to the Google Colab. Come to the Google Colab. You can see the one option here. One key option is visible. Okay. Just click on this site. Click on this site. You will be get the one key option. Okay. Click on the key option. Click on the one key options. Key on the one key options. Give the name. That is the name. Okay. Everyone just give the name. This is name you want to type here. Same as the name you want to type here. Okay. Same as the name you can type here. Done everyone this thing. Okay. Here you can paste your API key. Here you can paste your API key. Name is this one. Okay. Here you can put the Gemini API key underscore API underscore key and paste the API key and give the access activated. Okay. Give the access activate. Done this part everyone. Chalo put in the chat. Done. Yes. No. Very good. Very good. What about other guys? Just put your response, guys. Okay, done. Very good. So everyone just access, give the access. Okay. So then again here just click, it will be closed. Okay. Just click here. Don't be close, everyone. Okay. Don't be close here. Click here. Okay. You can just click here. Okay. I want to input our library, guys, to access this API key. Okay. So from this API key is available in the from this API key is available in the Google dot collab. This API key is available in the Google Colab import user data. What is the value means, Dhanraj? It is the API key. Okay, it is the API key you want to paste on the place of value. Okay, I will be run this part. Done, everyone. Import the library. This new library, everyone import. Very good. Okay. Now access the API key. Now access the API key. Now access the API key. Okay. How to access? It's very simple. Gemini API. Gemini API key. Okay. Done, everyone. This part done. Yes, no. Fastly, guys. All students. What about other? Okay, very good. Okay. We run this, run successfully. Now we make the one client. We make the one client. We make the one client. Okay. What is the client, guys? Client is like client we are using for the connection of tool. Okay. So that we require the client. Okay. Clear, everyone? Let's see how to make the client simple. Client is equal to GenAI dot client. Then API key already I have. API key is my Gemini API key. Okay. Clear, everyone, this part? Okay, done. Okay. Now next part is there, guys. We want to use the model also. Okay. Using the model also. My model name is there Gemini 2.5 hyphen flash. That is my model name. That is my model name. So I will be run. I will be run. Okay. Done, everyone, this part. Okay, let's see. Now we make the core function. Okay, we make the one core functions. So how to make the function? Simple. Def run function. That is my main function. Okay, run agent. Okay, so I will pass the some parameters. Okay, I will pass some arguments. So if you want to run this function, you require the three argument. One argument is there, system, prompt, user prompt, and temperature. Okay, and that temperature is a by default parameters. Okay, that is a by default argument. So system prompt always pass in the string format. Okay, user prompt always pass in the string format. Got it, everyone? This part. And these function always produce the answer in the form of str. It's mean this function will be produce your answer in the string format. Clear, everyone? This part. Okay. Let's see main logic of I want to I want to generate a response. I want to generate a response. How do I generate? Using the client inside my model is there. Okay, inside the client, my model is there. Model models dot generate the contain. Okay, so I want to generate the contain. Let's see. So I require for generate the contain models. I have already models. I have already model. Okay, using this model, I will generate my contain, comma. Next, what kind of content you want to generate, guys? What kind of content you want to generate? So content I want to generate is equal to, I will make the one list. I will make the one list. Inside the list, I will make the one dictionary. Inside the list, I will make the dictionary. I want to assign the role, user, comma, parts, colon. Okay. Here will be coming the two things. Text. Don't worry, guys. I will explain the code also. Okay. System prompt. Okay. Done everyone this part? Yes, no? Okay. Now, comma. Now, comma. I want to configure the all things. So I will be config the all things. Generate config temperature already I have. Okay. And max output. I will just mention here 2048. Let's see, guys. Okay. That is my temperature. Is there already I defined temperature is like a 0.7. Just update this everyone. Temperature is like a 0.7. Okay, temperature is like a 0.7. Okay, that is my main run agent logic. I just run successfully. Yet it's working. Everyone done? Everyone done? I will send this code in the chat. You can just try this code. Okay. Next thing. Okay. Next thing is there, guys. We want to make the agent. So first agent. Our first agent. What is my first agent? Researcher. I send it in the chat. Yes, I'm creating the agents. Okay. Now, my first agent is there. My first agent is there, researcher. So let's how to create the agent. Then mm, admin team, please check it. Code why not is they visible after I sent. Okay. Then create the function researcher. Okay, guys. If you're not visible, you can do one thing. You can go to the my GitHub, Sumit Sartale. Okay. Then you will be see the GitHub. Okay. Just go to the first website. Okay. You will be see the here. Just go. Then you will get the first option. Click on the repository first option. You will see the this project of the source code here will be available. Okay. Now you can just focus on the code. Then after you can access. Okay. Just everyone just focus. Let's see how to work. I want to give the this agent one topic. I want to give the one topic to this agent. Topic colon. This topic should be the string. This topic should be the string, and this function will return the answer in the form of string. This function will be written the answer in the form of string colon. So then I will be use the here system. Okay. So that is the prompt I want to give here. Okay. Because see, every agent for I want to allocate some roles. Enough. Every agent for I want to allocate the some roles. So how to allocate the roles? Let's see. This agent role is there. You are the you are the research agent. Okay, you are the research agent. Dot return dot return exactly five font size. Okay, exactly five font size point bullet point facts. Okay, that is the role of this agent. Okay, that is the role of this agent. Okay, then user. So user what will be there? So what is the work of user? User will be give the query of this research. मतलब user इसको एक input देगा. Okay, don't worry, I will explain this all code also again. Research this topic. Okay, what user given the topic na? I want to research. Okay, what user given the topic, this topic I want to research. Okay, next thing, print the result. Next thing, print the result. I will run the functions. What is my main function? This function, the main function. So I will run this main function. What is my main function name? Run agent. Okay. So I will pass the here system prompt, system, comma, user. They print the final result and return the result. Let's guys, I will explain. Okay, this part. So what I will do firstly here. Okay. So firstly, I create the one main logic function. This function requires the system prompt in the form of the string. He requires the user prompt in the form of the string. Temperature. Temperature means what kind of answer you want to print. Okay, normal answer, a very strict answer, a very accurate answer. Which answer you can print, that will decide the temperature. Just like 0 to 0.3, his range 0.2, 0.6, his range 0.6 to 0.1. That is the range. Okay. So which kind of format you want to answer? That is the meaning of temperature. Next thing, this function will be written the answer in the form of the string. Okay. I want to respond the answer. So how do I will generate answer? I will generate the content using the models, using this API key. My API key available in the client. Okay. I want to generate the content using these models available in this API key. Okay, got it everyone? Okay. Then I require the three things to generate the content. One, I require the models. What kind of content you want to generate? I want to user prompt and user prompt and system prompt. Using these two things, you want to generate the content. Okay. Take a system prompt, take a user prompt. Using two things, you can generate the content. So what is the thing? Generate the answer 0.7. Very accurate answer you can give me. That is the temperature. Output side should be the 2020 2048. Okay, it's the max length of the input. मतलब आपको कितना ज्यादा टेक्स्ट चाहिए, कितना वर्ड चाहिए आपको. So max word size is a 0.48. That is the max size. Okay, you can generate only the output words 2048. That's it. Come to the next. Come to the next. So first agent is there, my research agent. I will pass the one topic. Okay, that is the role of this agent. What is the role of this agent? You are the research agent. Return the exactly 5 concise bullet point. Okay, user will be provide the topic. Okay, user will be pass the head topic. I will call my main agent system. I will provide the here two things. Okay, I will provide the two thing here. So one is the system. Okay, system and user prompt. Chalo guys. Same like I want to create the same. I want to create the another agent. Same I want to create the another agent. Same I want to create the another agent. This agent is their critical agent. Okay. So he will find out the errors, improvements. Okay. So this agent will be do like that. Okay. So I want to assign the role. उसका role assign करना पड़ेगा मुझे अभी. I will assign the roles. What is the role of this agent? You are a you are a professional. You are a professional writer. You are a professional writer. Okay. I will change the prompt. I will just assign the role another. You are the critical reviewer. You are a critical reviewer. Dot identity identify two or three gaps, error, or improvements or improvements. That is the work of this agent. Okay, that is the work of this agent. Okay, that is my review topics. I just mentioned here. He will be review the topic. What user given the topics, he will be review. Okay. Next, same. I want to create the another one agent. Everything is same code. I want to create another agent. Which one? Final writer agents. Okay. I will create the final writer agents. Okay. So I will change his role. He will take the two input. He will take the two input. He will take the one input. Critical agent will be take the one input. What is the input? Research. Okay. यहाँ से input A वाला लेगा ये functions. And that is the name of the critic research. Yes, right. Okay, that is what is my function name? Okay, you can take the research. Okay, research done. Okay, now I will create another one writer. He will take the two things. He will take the two things. He will take the research in the form of the string, comma. He will take the critic in the form of the string. Okay, I want to assign the role of this one agents. That is a agent role is there. You are a professional writer. You want to write the clean and polished. You want to polish polish the three sentence summary using using research and addressing the critic. Okay, मतलब research क्या करेगा? He will research my topic. Critic will be what deal? Whatever research the topic, na, on that topic I will find out the gap, I will find out the errors, and I will improve this error. That is the work of the critic. Writer, what will we do? He will take the research data also, he will take the critical data also. Both data he will be convert into the three sentence. Okay, that is the work of the writer. So last thing and main part. Okay, last thing in this, I want to run this whole pipeline. Okay, I want to run this whole pipeline. So I just run this code. Okay, I run this code. Now I will run my pipeline. Okay, now Dave, run pipeline. He requires a topic. Okay, user will give the topic in the form of the string. User always give the topic in the form of the string. Okay, the first work, I have one variable notes. So I want to generate the notes. User whatever topic will be generate, no. User whatever topic will be give on that topic. research agent will be research the content. Okay. So researcher, okay. I will give the user topic. Okay. Then I will feedback. I will take the research data feedback through the critical agent. Feedback is equal to my critic agent. This agent take the notes. Enough. See guys, it's very simple. Okay. I will provide the topic to model user query. Can you tell me what is the India capital? On that India capital, research will be generate the answer. This answer I will store in the notes. This note I'm sending to the critical. Critical will be check the improvement, error, everything. Okay. Now next thing. Now next thing. Summary is equal to writer agent. Writer agent will be take the both thing notes and feedback. He will take the both thing. Okay. He will take the both thing. He will take the both thing and return the answer. Return answer. Research. Okay. What is my researcher? Notes. Okay. My researcher is the notes. Okay. Comma. Then after which one is there? My critic. Then my here feedback. Okay. I want to return this answer all. Feedback. Then answer is another is there my summary, final summary. Okay. Done this part. Now I will call run this part. Okay. It's running successfully. Then I will call the final things. If my main function, I want to call the name equal to. Okay. I just pass the one query. What is the AI? Where is the user? Okay. System, comma, user. What is pass? Result. This topic IST I want to pass here. In the result, user. That is my topic. Okay. That is my pipeline STR. Notes, researcher topics. My researcher model name. I will take here. I just copy here properly. Okay. Then topic. Then feedback. Critic notes. Then writers. Then notes. Then feedback and summary. Okay. Then finally ask the question. And he will take the one side. Just 1 minute. I check the my list all things. Done, guys. Your answer is coming. Yes, no. How many students are got the answer? I just review my code one again. I just review my code. This main pipeline is working. Okay, research code, STR. Okay. That is the right. System prompt, user, and then topic as it is. Okay, that is good. Then result. Okay, that is a problem because I use the dot. I want to use the comma. I want to use the comma. Again, I will try here. Content. So where is the spelling? Which side of response content inside? Where is my response content? Okay. So that is a response content. Generate the content config. Okay, it is the right temperature. It is right. That is part. Okay, I take the here research and user will be put the one topic. Okay, this topic will be go here and model right. This is part right. Just 1 minute. I just check open notebook. Guys, I am audible. Everyone properly. Yeah, yes. Content spelling is wrong. Okay. So everyone got the final answer. So just like a researcher, okay. If I am searching the query, the future of quantum computing, he will be search the 5 bullet point. Then critic will be provide the any missing anything. Then improve the text, everything. Writer will be give the final summary. Okay. Then I reprint my final summary here. Clear everyone? Let's see. So I import the required library. I import the here Gemini API key. I take the models. Okay, that is my main logic to run the all agents. Okay, that is the role of the agents. That is the configuration of the agents. First, I take the research agents. He will take the user query. On the user query, he will be search the data. What data he will search? He will be search the 5 config bullet point. Whatever user will be asked the questions. Okay, critic. What will be critic will be do? Whatever research are doing the data, na, whatever research will be search the data. On that research data, he will be find out the gap, errors, improvements. Then writer will be take the both data, research data and critic data. On that both data, final summary. That is the work of the my three agents. That is the work of the my three agents. Final answer. Done everyone? How many students got the answer? Raise the hand. I just put in the chat. Very good. Lakshmi, Mohan, Dhanraj. Very good. Good. Kalyani. Okay, guys. So, guys, I know a lot of students have a lot of doubts will be there. Okay, how to use these functions, how to use the agents, this all thing. Guys, here in the 2 hours, it's not possible we can cover the all lot of things because I know some students are coming the non-tech background, some students are coming tech background, but they not have a much knowledge about the data science, AI, agentic AI. So that we start the one course. Okay, so that we start the one course. In this course, we are covering to A to Z all things. Start with the Python and end with the agentic AI. In this course, we are covering all topics, just like a Python we are covering the machine learning, deep learning, NLP, mathematics, Power BI, SQLs, Gen AI, agentic AI, multi-agentic AI, everything we are covering in this data science course. This batch will be start tomorrow, 11 o'clock. If you are 5 days of demo session is there, it is a free demo session. If you want to join, you can join. Already, admin teams are sent the link. I think he sent a link in the chat. So don't worry, admin will again send the link in the chat. Okay, very good. That is the link of the sessions. You can join the 5 days of demo sessions. Okay. So in this, we are covering the all A to Z data science, AI, all things. You can join the WhatsApp community. You will be get the all updates, syllabus, fees, everything will be get in this WhatsApp community. So that's it, guys. Whatever you have a doubt, you can ask. And these course will be joined the non-tech students. Okay, if you are the non-tech, if your background is a tech, some career grab, okay, job switch. If you want a job switch, career change, okay, these all types of audience will be join this course. Tech also, non-tech, career gap, job switching, experience. Okay, this all types of community will be join the this course. It applicables. Don't worry if you are coming non-tech background. If you have a gap, so we'll do the all things. We'll try to fill the your all gaps. Okay. Now we can ask the question. If anyone have a doubt, I will try to solve your doubts and all you. See, if you complete this course, you will be get the multiple domains of job, just like a data scientist, okay, AI engineer, AI ML, data analytics, okay, then Power BI engineer, okay, then after ML engineer, DL engineer. So multiple types of domain job it will be open for the complete this course, not only the single job, okay. How to get the content? See, we are using one LLM models. These LLM models have a already knowledge. These LLM model have already knowledge, and this LLM we are using the Gemini. Okay, using API key. These he have already knowledge. You are just ask the question, he will generate the answer. Yes, Naga, I will. You can join the WhatsApp group. You will be get the syllabus copy, all everything. See, if you want to learn the agentic AI and Gen AI part in the Python batch, so firstly we are covering the Python, ML, DL, then we'll start the agentic batch. Okay. If you are directly start the agentic part, you will be feel confusion. So that firstly you should know the this starting basic part, then you will be get the idea about the Gen AI part. Can we join if we are students where advanced Gen AI course already attending? Okay. Yeah, I will be give. I will upload on the my GitHub. This notes will be get. Okay. Anyone have a doubt? Yeah. So course duration will be there 6 months. Okay. Course duration will be there the 6 months. Guys, if you have any doubt related the course, you can join the demo. You can join the demo. So in this demo, your all doubts, whatever doubts will be there, it will be clear. Okay. You can just try join the 5 days of demo. Whatever doubts are there, you can ask to in the demo. Okay. That is the free for everyone. That is the 5 days of demo. It is a free. Okay. Got it, everyone? Clear? Bharat, you will be get the inside the WhatsApp group. You will be get the cost of the course. It's not much costly. Okay, you will be get. You can connect with the admin team. They will be help you regarding the course fees, all everything structure. Okay, guys. If you no one have a doubt, we'll wind up this workshop. I can see your chat, Ram Krishna. Yes, Rajesh, we can use the framework also here. We can add the framework also in this code. Okay, guys. Whatever regarding the course you have a doubt, you can join the demo sessions. In this demo session, you can ask to the your whatever queries are there, you can ask. Yes, Ramakrishna, here also in this code also we are completing lot of agentic projects, end-to-end projects. Okay, you will be gain your knowledge inside the MCP agentic, all everything, rack. When is demo? It's online, offline. Naresh IT. Okay, you can just join this link. You can register. You will be get all things. No, not only Google AI. We are using the different types of AI. Okay, guys. Bye bye, everyone.